I am so sorry about the re-upload. It's I'm going to say this because I have a lot of storage going on here. That's the reason why I have to delete the old storage now, because this thing is not good. It's like 2 years old. So this is going to be an August 2025 update. So I'll try my best not to talk too loud today, because my sister is sleeping right now and I don't want to make any noises. So I'll tell you what's going on today. Let's going to start off with this, the stress and anxiety one. When I was filming the elevators at the Schindler 300A MT Venom Resistant at the J.W Mays Plaza, I accidentally hit the slo-mo because let me tell you why. It's because someone was giving me directions. I accidentally hit the slo-mo button because when I was recording at the J.W Mays Plaza, because someone was giving me directions on which floor we had to go. But unfortunately, someone was, I have to send this people upstairs to the second floor to avoid me getting busted by a security guard / confronted on the second floor. Because I'll tell you what happened at this time. It's getting on my nerves right now. It gives me stress and anxiety right now. It gets on my nerves right now. So there will not be any hateful and toleration comments, and also spam as well. If you do, then I will remove the comment immediately. Okay? This is definitely serious and not a joke at all. Okay? I know I am being furious and angry right now, but that's just the way I am, okay? But I can't be doing this because I cannot be having, I cannot be having stress this time, okay? It's not my day, and it gets me not really PTSD from, I won't say the name though, because I want to make them feel very bad and uncomfortable too for now, okay? But as we all may notice right now, this is unbelievable right now. This gets me on my it gets on my headache right now, okay? And I have to wait until, let me say this, I have to wait for the elevator to come back down, because I'm pretty sure the right elevator is not working at this time. It's turned off, or it could be broken, okay? But yeah, I mean, elevator number 5 has definitely one of the best, awesome, it took like 5 seconds to start, and has a very obnoxious sounding motor as I ever seen in my life. But you guys be liking elevator 5 a lot better, because you know what? But for now, the right car, I don't want to bother running the right elevator, because I don't think I bother running the right elevator because they're exactly the same, okay? And we all know it has the white LED button, which is the MT Venom Resistance. It has that white LED. in touch right now and has the RT fire service, including the left one too. It's different RT fire services, okay? But yeah, this gets me stressful all day. Now, goes back to this one. I know my battery's gonna turn 20% very soon. That's what I'm gonna be charging soon. But we're gonna have to make this quick now, okay? But please, I need, like, not really, but still, I cannot be having this, okay? This is stressing me off at this time, okay? I don't want to do this no more, but please, if you know what I mean. Takeo Elvis is actually one of my friends, okay? I already sub, but Takeo Elvis is really helping me out at this time from the clips and from what I on what I do. So yeah, thank you for Takeo Elvis for helping this situation, not the situation, but helping me out with clips, because usually I don't do clips, and especially SME content, okay? But yeah, it gets on my nerves, and please, and I apologize if this video is so long. I know I have a lot of storage to be putting up right there, but this is all seriousness, because I have felt stressed at this time. I have to walk all the way to 1 or 2 blocks away from J.W Mays Plaza with a similar empty venom resistant. This was next to Rainbow and Flanagan. But on August 15th, this will be public. It will not be premiered on August 15th, as you saw in the community post, because I actually hit the slo-mo button because this idiot was giving me directions on which floor do they have to take, and they're complete idiots. And now I have to edit for my video to J.W Mays Plaza, and it has to be done and edited, and it has to be back to normal degree, okay? So yeah, I mean, yeah, this shouldn't take it a little too far. I mean, because they don't have the right to tell me which floor they have to take, because I'm not enthusiast like these, like some others, like I don't know, a person like I mean, and we were not going to be talking about it, I know. Let me get this straight. On August 15th, this will be sent to public because I actually hit the slo-mo button because I made a mistake and I have to edit it because the quality was horrible, okay? And please pardon that there will be title in description as well. Not title in description, but in the description I put, okay? So yeah, please bear that in mind. Like I said earlier this time, I am not going to film the elevators at the other one at J.W Mays Plaza next to Marshall's, which is in Otis Series 1, because on the first floor there's a front desk on the first floor, and I don't want to get busted by a front desk and say, hey, excuse me, you have a right to be there? And I'm gonna say, I filmed the elevators, and the front desk said, no, you cannot record here. This is private property, and you're trespassing, okay? Leave right now before I get the cops on you. Yeah, that's why I avoid filming Otis Series 1's elevators at J.W Mays Plaza, because there's a front desk here, and I don't want to get getting harassed, trespassing, and getting thrown out. I don't want to get thrown out, okay? This is the main reason is the Schindler MT Venom Resistant. That's why I am doing this, just because you guys are requesting me to film the J.W Mays Plaza. I mean, I know Takeover elevators like the motor so much, and yeah, that's why. So I apologize if this video is long. Okay, I know this is getting me so stressed. Okay, but like I said, I will remove the comment if there's any hateful, toleration, and spam comments. Okay. All right. Please, I need well, not really a break. I need a time alone. That's why. Okay. Thank you. I know my battery is low. Back to the updates where I'm going to be doing. There are two premieres there are only two premieres, and I will not premiere the J.W Mays Plaza. For the Burlington in Glen Oaks, New York, will be the Schindler modernized by Otis. Okay, and the other one, it will be premiered on the 12th of August, and basically, and it will also be premiered, which is the Home Depot in Jamaica, New York City, by the Dollar Tree. At this time, and yes, it will be premiered on August 14th at this time, and the J.W Mays Plaza, I will also not be premiering at this time. This will be set into public at this time because I accidentally hit the slow motion button because these idiots was giving me directions on which floor they have to go, and the quality was horrible. Okay, and I apologize if this video quality was horrible. Okay, so this will be set into public by now. Okay, and this will also be in the description. Okay, all right, but if you have any requests for me on filming at the Jamaica Center, let me know in the comments. Okay, but the hate toleration and spamming is not allowed / permitted at this time. It will be prohibited. Okay. All right. And good news all. I have some awesome news. I will be going to London Heathrow. I apologize if I talk too loud because my sister is sleeping. So I will be going to London Heathrow. I'm going to London and Paris. And the uploads will be back on at this time. So yeah, this is exciting. I know you really like going to. I really like to go to London and Paris so much. But I will be posting on the community post on August 15th. But we certainly, know that I will be going to. I will be going to London and Paris. I will be filming the Terminal 8. But oddly enough, the main reason I'm going to be focused on is the elevators at the Terminal 8 Admirers Club, which is by Concourse C. And I'm not sure about my special video because I have a plane to catch, and I will let me think for 1 second. I will film the elevators at. I'm not sure about filming the elevators at 25 and 26 because I know I have a plane to catch, like I said, and I'm not, like I said, 38, 39, 35, 36. I'll be doing my special video, but not a retake though. Okay. And also one more thing, I will not be filming 23 and 24 by this time, okay? I know I know, because this elevator has gone busy at this time, okay? So yeah. Also, before I get to the J.W Mays Plaza one, I know it's a bad one. I know that, yeah, you know. Because if it stops on the second floor going down, I know. If it stops on the second floor going down, I have to hide my camera just so that way no one sees me. And if a passenger gets on the elevator and presses the second floor, I have to let them go and wait for the next elevator, okay? Which I know the right elevator has been broken and turned off for a long time, okay? Which has the sensors and has the white LED one, okay? So that's why I don't want to get busted by a guard with the turnstile, okay? Because you are trespassing and you don't have the right to be there, okay? So yeah. I just want to play by safe, guys, because I know it's giving me stress, okay? Anyways, guys, that is my August 2025 update. I know this video is so long because I'm feeling stressful, okay? So yeah, this is for Takeo Elevators because he has been helping me out and what clips I should be doing, and he also helping me with the the copyright, which I have to mute some of the audio as well. So yeah, I don't do shadows, but this is for Takeo Elevators, okay? But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos coming this channel very soon. So yeah, anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I know August by Taylor Swift will be on the 1st, but I'm not I'm not gonna listen to it too much because I don't want to get a copyright infringement, okay? Alright, anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I can listen to it on my personal iPad, the August by Taylor Swift, but I am not recording though, because I don't want to get copyright infringement, okay? Anyways, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and that's about it. Thank you all so much. Have a great day. That's it.